We'll start by setting up our client test file, test prompt caching, pi. Here, we define the base URL for the server, and here we write a very big system prompt, which is supposed to be repeated for almost every query, and structure a list of prompts asking capital of couple of countries. These are the inputs we'll use to test the entire prefix caching workflow. With our questions defined, we loop over each one, combine it with the system prompt, and log the timing using timeperf counter. Now let's do a dry run and check the timing. We hit an issue. The Redis Docker image isn't running, so we flush Redis once and try again. In the test we see nothing, since we haven't implemented anything yet. Now let's start on prefix, pi, setting up a couple of functions and defining some global variables, like the cost of keeping a token cached per hour. Here we initialize Redis and start implementing the store prefix function. The basics. Tokenize the input, run a forward pass to get the KV tensor cache, move it to CPU, and save it as a PT file at a set location. We add some metadata, basically the prompt and token count, and store those values under the prefix key the user provided. Continuing with the load prefix function, given a prefix key, we just load the values from Redis and update fields like hit count and last used. That update happens in a background thread, so we can serve the KV tensors right away. Setting up the billing function, we just need the token count and hit count, combined with the cost per token per hour, to work out the billing. Now we integrate the cache state. In generate for model, pi, we check if prefix KV is available. If it is, we pass it directly into the generation function, so the model picks up right where the cached prefix left off, completing the pipeline. Now we wrap up the server. We add 2 new endpoints, store to save the KV state using a unique prefix key, and stats to track usage. This makes the prefix cache fully functional. We hit a couple of issues along the way, check the stats endpoint, then add the long system prompt back in. Running it again, we hit the API and see the system prompt get reused. Looks like it works. This is something Clack as